this video, we are going to see about chi-square test in hypothesis testing. What is chi-square test? A chi-square statistic is a measure of the difference between the observed and expected frequencies of the outcomes of a set of events or variables. Chi-square is useful for analyzing such differences in categorical variables, especially those nominal in nature. Chi-square analysis is applied to categorical variables, and is especially useful when those variables are nominal, where order doesn't matter, like marital status or gender. Chi-square depends on the size of the difference between actual and observed values, the degrees of freedom, and the sample size. Chi-square can be used to test whether two variables are related or independent from one another. It can also be used to test the goodness of fit between an observed distribution and a theoretical distribution of frequencies. Specifically, it does not require equality of variances among the study groups, or homoscedasticity in the data. The formula for chi-square test. The formula for chi-square is chi-square equals summation of square of difference of observed value and expected value divided by expected value, where C equals degrees of freedom, O equals observed values, E equals expected values. When to use a chi-square test? A chi-square test is used to help determine if observed results are in line with expected results, and to rule out that observations are due to chance. A chi-square test is appropriate for this when the data being analyzed is from a random sample, and when the variable in question is a categorical variable. A categorical variable is one that consists of selections such as type of car, race, educational attainment, male versus female, how much somebody likes a political candidate, from very much to very little, etc. These types of data are often collected via survey responses or questionnaires. Therefore, chi-square analysis is often most useful in analyzing this type of data. What is a chi-square test used for? Chi-square is a statistical test used to examine the differences between categorical variables from a random sample in order to judge goodness of fit between expected and observed results. Who uses chi-square analysis? Since chi-square applies to categorical variables, it is most used by researchers who are studying survey response data. This type of research can range from demography to consumer and marketing research to political science and economics. Is chi-square analysis used when the independent variable is nominal or ordinal? A nominal variable is a categorical variable that differs by quality, but whose numerical order could be irrelevant. For instance, asking somebody their favorite color would produce a nominal variable. Asking somebody's age, on the other hand, would produce an ordinal set of data. Chi-square can be best applied to nominal data. Types of chi-square test. There are two main kinds of chi-square tests. 1. The test of independence, which asks a question of relationship, such as, is there a relationship between student sex and course choice? 2. Goodness of fit test, which asks something like, how well does the coin in my hand match a theoretically fair coin?
If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment down below. I will respond as per my best. Signing out.